want to hear how to
Worse.
key in. First
We
freaking
have
thing I want to hear.
exactly
Oh, I got
0 viewers.
690. Wow, I'm not going to view. That's gonna lag my BGM, and I don't want that. Oh, frick was that? I get this system try.
I want everyone to view this gym.
Alright, let's figure out how to fix this selection box.
Jared, I don't know how you couldn't do this. It's so easy.
It literally won't let me. Like, I understand, dude, but you don't understand. It literally will not let me
No,
do
no, no.
it.
Okay,
It
hang on.
jumps from
Here's what you gotta do.
68 to 70 on one pixel. One
Okay, no,
pixel just jumps.
Wait,
Okay,
what
look,
are
here's what you gotta do. Here's what you gotta do. You see you gotta use the arrow keys. You can go back individual percents that way.
What?
Just use the arrow keys. You gotta go over somebody else's like volume. Use the arrow keys. You can go back.
I
1%.
literally had no clue you could do that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
You're actually incorrect.
Bro, someone called me fat on Twitch. I'm so sad.
Yeah, that's me.
I know.
I know, idiot. Baka. I'll be right back.
Oh shoot. We play testing more today. Let's go.
Not.
Probably not. I don't see the need to.
Oh, no.
Yo, Mashup Studios is live?
Yo,
Oh
I
my
didn't know
goodness,
that.
bruh. I'm watching my own stream.
Yo, Mashup
I am
Studios.
also watching your stream.
I don't want to watch my own stream.
Yeah, how dare you? Yeah, what kind of person watches their own stream besides me?
That's cool. That works now. That's good. I wish Instagram allowed you to do text posts only and not like text with an image.
Text with an image, it's just your butt cheek.
No.
No.
Bruh, what if our logos everywhere was just someone's photo copied, but
I don't think it's a smart idea. It's a terrible idea.
I think it's a pretty good idea.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't know, that definitely get me interested.
Hey, that's you. It's not anyone else. Let's see. Thinking.
Uh-oh. He's thinking.
Ah, crap, he's
Yeah,
thinking. We gotta run, guys. We gotta run. He's thinking.
What are all these maps from?
You'll see some smoke in a little while coming from my
I
house.
created a few maps just for me and Jared to play test, but I didn't upload any of them.
No,
There's, like,
if you
a
don't
ton
have to
of maps
upload
here,
them.
and
When
none
you
of the
hit
old maps
save
are
map,
good.
when you hit save map, it gets shipped to the database immediately.
Ah, understandable.
You literally cannot prevent it.
Got it.
Okay.
Maybe in the future we change that so you can like have drafts
That would be probably a good idea.
saved to your system and not on the database.
By the way, did you put the BGM in the description, Zach?
No. Did not. What I did add was the Twitter and YouTube channels. Look at all those errors.
Yeah.
My computer can't handle streaming and running a server and a client all at the same time.
I can join you. Oh wait, we can't. Well, actually, does it matter if I join as a client and all the things are wrong for me? Does it matter at all? You can still do stuff as the host, right?
Well, the problem is I need to see things on the client end. This is a
Oh.
problem. I can't stream and do this at the same time.
Hmm.
What if you just had another computer?
I mean, I guess so, but like, I'd have to get everything all set up on my desktop.
What can we do about
I mean,
this?
you just have your laptop for your normal stuff, and then
Do you
got
want
your...
me to host the server for you?
Yeah, that's gonna be a massive pain though, because I have to keep sending you builds.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
You want me to try and host the stream?
If you host the stream, then
I don't know how I would do that, but I can try. Granted, I was just going to start doing some hosting and builds of my own.
I mean, yeah, you can do your own thing. You have the Streamlabs set up, Jared?
I have it set up to work, but I don't think it'll attach to any account yet. I didn't do any of that yet.
Try attaching it to the account right now. If there is a, like, if it requires the verification code, which it probably will, send a message to Liz.
Okay, so how do I even attach it to the account?
Oh, you make me sad.
Oh, I didn't do any of this. I just set up Streamlabs.
Streamlabs.
Yeah, if I just hit go live. Ah, add destination. Oh wait, I can't add another destination unless I have Prime. Frick.
You have how many destinations?
One.
What is it?
Mine.
Yeah, that
Just log
is one
out
of the
then.
problems that we have. You can't multi-select if you're not the host.
No, not the
You
host.
can.
That's not the problem.
No, I'm just saying that's one
That's
of the
not
And it
problems.
says I cannot disable the platform
what are you
you
talking
use
about?
to sign in to Streamlabs desktop. Please sign in with a different platform to disable streaming to this destination.
Well, Jared, go to settings, so the gear at the bottom left, and
Yeah.
I clicked log out.
Oh.
But why can't I?
Probably just log out like that.
Okay, and now I can log in as Twitch. Let's see. Ah, yes, this is where that
wait, I
password
think I know
is.
exactly why.
Kevin out here fixing bugs.
Oh yeah,
I believe so.
yeah. So pretty
Yeah,
sure.
he
this
knows how
is
to
the
fix
problem.
bugs.
He just knows how to code. I don't.
Yeah, I've been doing this for a few years.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't do this in general.
Kevin, what you mean 76? Oh, laser hit detection.
Wait, what are you
Okay.
talking about?
The laser sub-attacks do not appear to properly spawn, and that had to do with the laser hit detection, you said.
Possibly. That could have been what made you think it wasn't working. But
I mean, it wasn't doing any damage.
well, yeah, that probably is why. But you said you couldn't even see it, so that must be
Yeah,
something
no.
that you did wrong. It seems to work
I mean,
fine.
I used a laser prefab or a laser thing like normal.
I mean, I'm telling you, it works perfectly fine. I can show you right now.
I'll trust you. Actually, wait. Can you show me right now? I want to see Whispers of the Void do things.
Oh, well, I wasn't using that, but
Oh, okay. Wait, I don't care then.
like,
Don't care.
Yeah, I don't care
Don't
about you.
care.
Hang on,
I mean,
I want to test something real quick. Not game wise, but I want to test something generally.
see, like, works fine.
I will be right back.
No.
Yes.
Are you doing?
Frick me. I have to turn off my ASMR while I'm freaking streaming. Are you kidding? Log in,
Yes,
Mashup Studios.
you have to turn off your ASMR.
Ah, frick. Didn't recognize the username. Oh, that's because I'm logging into Twitter.
Yeah, so basically what I think the problem is that
Mashup Studios.
the DM is when it's on the DM whenever you use a selection box, it looks at the list of all enemies on the server and checks each of their positions against the box as opposed to the individual selection, which just basically just sends a raycast, and if it hits an enemy, then it's selected.
Did I just DM Liz Sampson in Discord?
Which probably means
Back?
that
What I said to do.
the
Cool.
enemies lists is only ever populated on the server side and not on the client side, which I will check right now.
Todd should be busy. Should be. What the heck?
Oh, it worked.
What is... What?
What?
It worked. I tried a thing and it worked.
What did you
Did
do?
you
What am I
do?
hearing?
What did you do? I'm afraid.
A few days ago, I installed Discord onto my VR headset, and I wanted to see if it would work with that too.
Oh my gosh, no wonder you sound different.
Yep.
Are you using Discord in VR?
Yes, I am.
What do I hear?
I don't know. Because I
What
don't
do you
hear it.
mean, what do you hear? I don't hear anything. You're nuts.
Something is playing.
What do you
I
mean
don't know
something
where
is
it is.
playing? You mean something other than the Mi 6 bot?
Some audio is playing and I don't know where it's coming from.
Would you not from the Mi 6 bot? The Mi 6 bot's playing stuff.
I think
Playing
he
in
would
my
know that. He
OBS.
set it up.
Why is
No,
it playing in my OBS?
Why wouldn't it be playing in your OBS stack?
Oh, there's something else playing in my OBS.
Alright, now to test something else.
The client does not get their enemies list populated. How do we fix
Just make it single player, Kevin, then you don't have to worry about it.
That's the dream.
What? How do I...
I am happy that it at least worked, but I cannot play games while in VR and talking to people, which is quite unfortunate.
I mean, I hate to say it, but the mic quality of the VR headset's really good.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
you
was gonna
sound
say, you
like
sound
you
way
sound
better.
yeah, you sound way better with the VR headset. It's actually insane how much better it sounds.
Wow.
Yeah, it sounds like you're standing next to me talking.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
I
actually
mean,
amazing. They put such a good mic in that thing. Who the frick plays VR with a mic?
One
me.
actually, because it's easier to talk versus type, Jared.
But like,
Bruh, you ever played VR chat, bruh?
Yeah,
yeah.
Gotta
I've
have
played
those
VR
Oh
chat.
wait,
recording
yeah, that's a good
mics.
point. That's the only good point you could possibly make,
But
though.
that's the only reason to use VR.
That's true. Except playing Doom. Apparently, that was good. And
You can
yeah,
play
Blades.
Half-Life
Pavlov
Alex.
VR.
What about Blade and Sorcery?
Ew,
That game
what?
sucks.
Or whatever.
Uh, Where did
Bro,
you get that sphere for your bowling ball attack? Was it just like generic sphere you added?
it was literally just a generic sphere. That was it.
Okay. Let me look here.
You know that
Sphere, yeah.
And also,
Jared
I would
doesn't know
expect this
what you're
mic to be at
talking
least a
about.
little bit better because I'm using a HyperX headset
Oh
normally.
my goodness. Bro, did I ever
think
tell
your
you the
microphone
story of
comes
how
into your
my
computer.
HyperX headset destroyed my computer?
Congratulations, you done it.
No, they did it to me.
Wait,
Again,
how? I never
congratulations.
heard this
So
story.
there's this really weird bug a while back with a HyperX headset specifically, and Windows 10, where basically the HyperX headset would trigger like a fatal crash in Windows that would just shut your
Oh,
computer.
really?
It wouldn't even blue screen your computer. It would literally just shut your computer off. It was,
Wow, that is a crash.
and it would happen like at random times. Well, there was a certain pattern to it. If it happened once, it was likely to happen about 3 more times in the next 2 hours. And then it wouldn't
Fun.
happen again for like a week or two.
Is this why we kept losing MMR when we tried ranked in Dota?
They never figured out what the bug was or how to fix it.
Really?
That's so. What
And-
kind of?
There was no known solution. The only known solution was to literally take your computer apart and rebuild it.
Dang. Put it back together the same way, bug still happens.
Yeah.
Stage.
Yeah. Eventually, I think it got fixed because I haven't had it happen in a long time. But then again, I've thought that in the past. Sometimes it's gone for like 3 or 4 months without happening, and then it just happens again. But it's
Dang,
been
that's odd.
it's been probably about a year since it's happened.
You know what's even
It might
hotter?
actually be fixed.
This rock throw attack I'm gonna give the ogre. You thought the ogre slowing you in an AoE was bad? Just guess what happens when it starts throwing a rock that slows you from long range.
You have no idea
Yeah,
how
Kevin,
happy Zach must be right now.
Kevin, you thought Asmodam was bad. What if we gave him a slow?
No,
Actually, he
what
can't get a slow, but he has to cut damage for that.
you're giving Ogre a rock. All Zachary wanted to do was throw a rock. You've either crushed or
Oh.
enlightened his dreams.
No, that was just a joke.
No, we are still going to make you a rock.
I don't want to be a rock.
No, we're not gonna turn you into a rock.
Zach.
We're gonna make you a rock weapon that only you can use.
Zach, just
I
shake
wanna
your
be a
head
rock,
side to side and listen really carefully. That's what you get for rocks.
All right. Sure.
Got him!
You didn't get nothing. I remind you, I am the one that saved us in the game last night.
I recall us losing.
All right, hang on,
Lost
guys.
because of your
I will be back.
inability to figure out what was going on.
Ah, yes, I can add homing to the big rock throw.
Yes, big rock.
He's big rock.
Alright, so the way I'm basically gonna fix this is I'm gonna try, when the DM presses the start game button, I'm gonna find its local enemy manager and tell it to try and find all the enemies and see if that works.
That sounds sus.
Hey, it's definitely not the cleanest thing in the world, but if it works, then who really cares?
Me, it sucks.
Yeah, no, I actually need to ask David about some things, because he knows a lot more about how Unity renders stuff than I do, and I need him to help me figure out how to batch enemy rendering together.
And also figure out how to batch projectile rendering so that you can have comet fall without it comet falling your computer. It needs to hit only the mobs, not your CPU as well.
But yeah, no, David knows way more what he's doing than I do. But I don't think the solution's that bad, actually.
You don't think it's that bad? Just do it yourself, idiot.
Is
It's so slow when I'm streaming.
yeah.
Ogre Rock now throws bowl.
Ogre Rock.
Throw rock. Oh baby, he throw rock.
Big Rock.
Wait, if I want to do
What? IRL is part of our Twitch categories, apparently.
Hmm?
We have IRL as our Twitch category.
I didn't set that.
no, IRL's supposed to be there
Why?
because I looked up other Devstream things and it's like, yeah, they have the IRL tag too.
Okay,
It must do it automatically or something, because I didn't do it.
I guess. I mean, your bitrate is great. There's nothing wrong with it.
Actually, wait, no,
Just-
this wasn't a good solution. This doesn't work at all.
Oh, why?
Because the enemies take like 5 seconds to spawn after you start the game, so that's literally not going to work.
Can't you just delay it for like 10 seconds and then check?
Yeah, probably. That's even worse though. That's like 1,000,000 times worse than what I did.
Oh.
A full
Okay.
million, Zach. Incredible. Nice job.
Like that's like
What did I
begging-
do?
That's begging for race conditions.
I
Okay, so better way to do
personally
this.
hate
then.
the
Actually,
Formula
no.
1
This is
racing.
this is literally the best way to do this. What I was thinking of was terrible. Let's go to the game manager, and after we have spawned all enemies. Actually, no, that's not a good idea either. Because I still gotta wait. Go.
Kevin, how does transformation values work with radius?
Transformation values work with radius? What do you mean?
Like, if I have the sphere's transformation scale be 3 by 3 by 3, what would I need to make the radius for the like the area, the attack script? What would I need to make the radius to match that? Like half, the same, double?
Let me real quick.
Because I've tried a bunch of different things with it, and it doesn't ever seem to line up properly.
It should be 1-to-1.
Oh,
Pretty sure it is. Oh, this is disgusting. I have to put it in here. Yeah, so what this part of the code does is basically on a delayed coroutine, a 5-second delay coroutine, it goes through every placeholder in the room and replaces it with the enemies. So I just have to wait for that to be done. And then it should work. But it's just really nasty putting this in here because it has like not much to do with what's happening.
Oh no. Yeah, you said you weren't a fan of Boom Boys.
not really. Just seems a little
Why?
whack. I don't know. It just seems kind of dumb. Like Boom Boys, really? It sounds like a 12-year-old wrote that.
I think the idea for Boom Boys was that they weren't very intelligent to begin with.
Yeah, see, it's lore accurate.
Ah, yes, good old trolley problem.
Oh, wait, of course this doesn't work. It's on the server.
Nice
So
job,
instead,
dude.
what I need to do is turn this into an RPC call.
You just trying to get the AI to work with you right now?
I'm trying to get selection to work. I know what the problem is. I'm just figuring out the best way to fix it.
Ah. Really, what I'm hearing is you're a guy.
Hmm? Yeah, so what this RPC is going to do is basically I'm going to define a source and a target. And the source is the type of, I guess, user that can send this RPC, and the target is what type of user receives this. So a type of user would be something like the server or the client or proxies or input authorities, state authorities, stuff like that. We want the sources for this to be state authority and the targets to be all. We want everyone to be able to get this message. That means this needs to be a network behavior.
I just realized Connor followed us also.
Wow, we have
Hog!
here too.
Let's check the Twitter, because oh my aching tentacles. I'll be right back in a moment.
No, you won't. See ya.
Christ impact projectile 1. Rock. Rock. Blast.
Local simulation is
Alright, I'm back.
Oh no.
You're fat.
I am not.
Maybe.
Actually not really.
If I'm fat and you're skinny,
Taller than me.
wait a minute. So you do all this.
Okay.
Just
I got a question for you.
What's your question?
What's your
Said
question,
Jared.
soldier?
What's your question, soldier?
What do you call a frog and fridge combination?
Hibernation?
Hog.
What a frog.
The frog.
Here's my next question.
What's your next question, soldier?
What do you call a fire truck and a fork combined?
A fire truck and a what combined?
Fork.
Fire truck and a fork.
Fork truck. Ha ha ha.
But still fire truck.
That is true.
Maybe fire truck. Not.
What starts with F and ends with UCK?
Fire truck.
Exactly.
Incredible.
Wowie
What's your
wowie.
questions?
Wowie wowie wowie. Wowie wowie.
Can't say wow to me. If you say wow to me one more time, I will scream.
Wow. I had no hesitation, just wow.
Wow.
Wow. I heard that. Funny,
Of course
funny.
you heard it.
Kevin, can I have multiple attacks tied to a single prefab? I know I can't have a prefab tied to multiple attacks, but can I do it the other way? Have multiple attacks tied to a single prefab?
Multiple attacks tied to a single prefab.
Boop, boop,
No, actually, yeah, no, that won't work.
Jeez.
Somebody mentioned the door to darkness?
No one did.
That's unfortunate.
What's unfortunate is how my fist is not in your face.
I know where you can find it.
What, your face?
No, the door
My
to darkness.
fist. I don't care about the door to darkness.
Oh, did somebody mention the door to darkness?
No.
Ian.
I'm only half
I'm just-
funny. And that half is me
Half
laughing at
funny?
myself.
Half funny? Didn't even know you
Yes.
were funny.
Oh,
That's unfortunate.
got him.
I think I'm funny, which makes me half funny. If you guys don't have to think I'm funny,
No, our humor has
I mean, I
evolved
kinda
beyond
do.
yours.
our humor has devolved.
No, my humor has evolved beyond yours.
You would laugh at a base boosted lettuce.
How would
I
you?
would.
I mean,
though.
that's kind of
Exactly.
unironically
That
funny.
means that we're at the same level.
I know it though, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we're at the same level. We're at different levels.
That's it.
Base boosted lettuce. How come I haven't thought of that?
There's actually a
What
freaking
else you
video
haven't thought
named
about?
Bass Boosted Lettuce.
Ass or base?
Base,
Very important question.
base ambassador. Oh no.
I am extremely
Base ambassador.
confused now.
It was the Burger King foot lettuce video.
Bruh, Burger King foot lettuce would be totally funny again if it was base boosted.
Alright, then I will send that in the general ice.
Number 12. Yeah, just ear rape all our viewers that aren't here.
Unfortunately, your mic actually lowers itself when you do that.
Yeah, unfortunately, I capped its input and I'm too lazy to change it.
What? Why does this work still?
Oh, frick me.
This should like physically not work. Oh.
What's wrong?
How on earth? Actually, wait.
What I was thinking about. Help.
Oh. Ah, yes, the base boosted one. Oh.
King is hard. My brain is running on Windows XP right now, and I don't have enough RAM.
Of course, my brain
Go
is when
download more.
running.
Bro.
Go
Oh,
download
yeah, I'll go-
more.
I'll go download more RAM because that's exactly what Windows XP needs.
Go commit
least I'm
uninstall
not-
RAM.
At least I'm not running Windows Vista like downstairs computer is using.
Dang.
Is there any computer left running that runs Vista?
Yes.
Yes.
Does it run though?
Yes.
Yes, we literally have it downstairs running Vista.
My grandma's PC that she had in the house before she died, that was running Vista, and it actually did work.
I've never had a computer that ran Vista and worked at the same time.
Not a... What are they called? Not a virtual machine.
Hey, time to test if this garbage actually works. Probably not.
Of course.
Shouldn't be static. This is
Kevin, if I'm hosting a server on my computer and my laptop joins and blah 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 blah, it shouldn't have that bug where the assets get messed up, right?
as long as you're running the exact same version. Can RPCs be static?
I don't know, Kevin. Figure it out.
Good
Fuck.
question.
Alright, let's see if I can make this laptop explode.
No RPC.
Hey, Keen, which map were you using that actually had, what's it called? The ogre on it.
I think that was the spawn test one.
Cool. By the way, the issue we are having with mobs not spawning on blocks is mobs cannot spawn on top of blocks that you cannot get to via ramps.
Yeah.
Come on!
Many ideas, but not enough. Too many ideas. Too many ideas. What we really need, we need an office that we can just throw a thumbstick around. Like, here's the build on a thumbstick. Put it up, please. I need to test something.
Still work. So confused. How on earth does this work?
Are you trying to break it on purpose?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what the problem is by removing things that should literally make this not work. But it's still working. Now I'm just confused.
My man having problems.
I couldn't tell you.
Dean, you were wrong. Which other map is it?
Oh, no.
Spawn point test, spawn test, map maze, ramp test 1, ramp test 2, ramp test, box test.
I thought it was spawn test.
Alright, we're doing spawn. Frick. I don't even know. We're just doing box test, boys.
Oh yeah, Kevin, you missed it. Last night while we were playing Heroes of the Storm, Axie Infinity commented in HOTS general chat.
What? What do you mean?
Somebody with the name
Axie
Axie Infinity commented in general chat and they were memeing.
Oh.
Oh, that don't work.
Oh jeez.
Don't. Actually, no.
I think one of my brothers is pretending to be King Julian right now.
That would be Connor.
Yeah, one of them. Oh, jeez. He me.
I just did.
What was that?
I've got no idea.
Wasn't asking you.
I don't know what's wrong.
Really helpful because I don't have the knowledge.
I'm having problems of my own.
You're thinking, how do we want to execute story in this? And I just don't know.
Dude, what the frick, man? Any map changes I'm making to these maps to try and spawn ogres is not working. Like, I straight up can't alter the maps.
Have you considered that it might be that the server's just not pinging? Michael Jackson's done.
Being Michael Jackson is my thing. What's he doing?
Being Michael Jackson, I just told you.
That's my thing.
No.
Maybe I'll allow it for now. But how dare he?
Quick, I'm gonna go drown myself in the toilet. I don't know what's wrong.
That was a nice voice crack right there. That was hilarious.
What?
I think he just broke
Said I'm
out.
gonna go
I'm gonna go
choke.
drown myself in the toilet.
Did not have a voice crack. What are you smoking, kid?
You did.
It was crack.
Okay.
But right now, all I'm smoking is tax evasion.
Fun.
No, it's not.
Fun.
It's not.
Fun.
Yes. I've found a post containing our game, Kevin.
What?
Found a post containing our game.
What do you mean?
No, a simple Tumblr post containing our game.
Okay, what is it?
Oh, it's in the meme channel. You know it's safe to look at.
Name.
Yeah.
Yo, is that Burger King foot lettuce base boosted?
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes. The
Oh,
last thing you want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot
Aaron, I
fungus.
think that's bot
As it
stopped
turns
working.
out,
You could fix
that
it.
might be what you get. A 4chaner uploaded
Huh?
a photo
You should fix the bot. I think it
to the
stopped working.
site,
No,
showcasing
it
his
didn't
feet in
stop. The
plastic
song's just
wrapper
over. It
lettuce
only goes
with
for an
the
hour.
statement, "This is
I
the
said.
lettuce you eat at Burger King." And
Want me
then
to do the
he
same one or
has
something
shoes
else?
on, but it's
Something
even
different.
worse.
Same chill, mellow beat, but no, something different.
You want the title for this video too?
I don't want it. I don't
Okay,
necessarily need it right now.
who cares? This one might be
Sounds familiar
copyrighted.
though.
Yeah, I've played it before. This is my personal favorite one out of all the lo-fi stuff I've found.
Imagine being a loafy.
Imagine being a loafer.
I'm not a shoe.
You will when I walk on you.
No, that'd be a rug then. And if I'm the rug, then I'm gonna pull myself out from under you. You're gonna trip and fall. You know what? After you trip and fall, you can call Dan Newland, accident attorney.
Attorney Dan Newman, former sheriff's detective. Thanks, Dan.
Dan gave me $800,000. My court case.
Dan won me $800,000 for my knee scratch. Thanks, Dan. Bro, why doesn't this work?
Why do I keep creating a room, adding it, and then the room doesn't appear?
It's because somebody uploaded an empty room and it's making it bug out because it can't figure out what to do with an empty room.
Can you remove it? I seriously need these
Yeah.
rooms to work. I literally can't test without rooms. Yeah, I see. Somebody added an empty room with a blank title.
Yeah, it's also just blank.
Yeah.
Yo,
Tell me when you
where's that?
remove it, and I'm gonna try to do stuff.
Dang, there are currently 5 people connected to the database.
Yeah,
Hi.
2 of them are me.
Two of them are you, 2 of them are Evan, and then 2 of them are not me. I think that's 6.
No, I'm willing to bet one of them's Kian, 2 of them are Kevin, and 2 of them are me. Kevin and I are both running our own server client pairs.
Wait, where is this empty room?
Uh-oh.
Oh, here it is.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay, there we go. Bro, it's empty. How are you supposed to find it? You're literally looking for nothing. He's trying to delete nothing. This man clearly didn't take enough discrete tube.
Yeah, you can't delete nothing. Are you kidding? Dividing my 0 next time, buddy.
Okay, should be gone now.
Augers, does that immediately update?
In theory, though, I found this database is kind of sus.
Yeah, that's what I've found as well. Here, actually, let me just straight up look.
Well, here's the great thing about that, Jared.
Yep, it's still there. Let's go. Alright, I'm watching YouTube for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna try again. Paid
5 minutes?
YouTube viewing.
Nope. Wrong.
I mean, maybe 1 minute. Depends on when this thing freaking works.
Wrong. Just broke a toothpick by mistake. Why are these things so
Why is the
fragile?
blank thing still here? I literally got rid of it. But it's like different now.
You know what? I'm evil Morty.
Actually, wait a minute. Where did all this stuff come from?
Jared did just add a bunch of rooms.
There's like a
trying to make it
room
work.
saved one level higher in the database structure than it's supposed to be.
Hmm.
Right now it should work.
What happened before?
No clue.
Oh, it just kind of does whatever it wants.
Yeah, it does seem that Firebase is not like doing what it was told to. Oh, what is wrong with why is RPC calls not working? Can't be.
Hey, attempt number 369.
Nice.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ogre testing. What is DM?
Right. I have no idea what is wrong with this. RPC calls are just not working for this.
What Todd's up to? Is Todd still doing his calls? Mid-afternoon is probably gonna be like 2 o'clock. What do you guys think?
Okay, Kevin, I'm 100% telling you, dog, the laser sub attacks just don't work.
Bro, they literally do. I can show you them working.
Okay, hold up. Show me them working then. Because I straight up, it doesn't, like, okay, well, let me see this. Am I still streaming? Wait, what did I do? Come look at my stream then. Come look at my
You're not
screen.
streaming.
What did I configure wrong on this thing in? Because there straight up doesn't work on this weapon. What did I configure wrong here?
Well, I can.
Here, wait,
there's
no, this is
nothing
the wrong
there. Yeah.
Whisper of the Void, projectile. Sub attack, on hit, laser attack.
Well, what point does it end at?
What do you mean, what does it end? It's end or hit. It passes through targets.
But like, how long does it last for?
The laser?
Like, what is it trying? No, the projectile. What is the goal here?
So the goal is to create a slow-moving, long-duration projectile that floats through enemies, and as it passes through them, it arcs lightning off. But it's just the bouncing, auto-targeting lasers. So it'll pass through an enemy. It'll create a laser that bounces off of that, shoots away from the target, and like auto-targets other stuff.
Let me see your laser, because that sounds sussy.
Wow.
See.
I mean, it is pretty
Oh,
sussy.
boy.
This is a pretty ambitious weapon.
Yeah, that sounds like we're pushing the limits on what this can actually do.
Lifetime is 0.3. Maybe that's bad.
No, that shouldn't be a problem.
Auto target.
Yeah,
Number of reflections can reflect.
So what's happening is you hit your laser, your projectile hits something, it spawns a laser. That laser then immediately retargets to the thing you just hit. And that's it.
But it should reflect, right? It reflects and auto targets off reflect. I don't really know what this reflect off valid target means. Maybe this is it, or one of these two. I don't know what these two do.
Yeah, I need to play with it, because it's definitely something with the settings, or there's a setting that's bugged or something. But the problem is not the sub attacks.
Okay, so
there's so much stuff you have going on there that it's way more likely that it's something other than the sub attacks.
Okay, so do you want me to just toy around with it, or do you want to like sit down and
I'm busy right now. I'm not gonna touch that.
Well, yeah, but like later. This is like long-term stuff. This doesn't have to be dealt with even today.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to mess with it and try and get it to work, then you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
One thing I do need to do though is I need to switch the ogres around. I forgot to adjust their range. Also, Liz never replied, so I'm shutting Streamlabs down. Goodbye.
You might be busy right now with something else.
Might be.
Let me send a gremlin over to go see.
Don't bother, dude. I don't really care right now. Kevin got the stream working decently enough.
I have.
That's why I said gremlin.
No
They don't exist. Gremlins don't exist.
Yeah, real women don't exist.
You can't say that. They say that.
Yo, it's an actual woman streaming. Wow. Okay, what the frick? Ogre Rock Throw. Oh
Like,
boy.
cancel Jared. Crystal Maiden cancellation.
Why doesn't this work?
What's Gibby thinking about?
What you be thinking about?
Nerd.
Ah! I like when he falls from the sky.
I have absolutely. This has to just be a bug with Fusion because there's no reason why this shouldn't work.
Is it the group select for client?
No, I'm trying to just call it should be as simple as just sending an RPC call, but literally the RPC call will not work on this. And it's giving me no clue as to why it can't do an RPC call.
Good old JavaScript. It's just kind of like, hey, it doesn't
What are you
work.
talking about?
Well, no, it's just
JavaScript.
whenever somebody complains about, bug, like a bug that the thing is not helping you with finding out what the bug is, I just think of JavaScript and how it's just like, it doesn't work. Good luck.
Man, I don't know. I haven't done that
Have
much
you tried
about
asking the
that.
Fusion Discord?
No, I mean I've only been working, but there is no good reason for this not. Oh, is this maybe that it has to be? Oh,
Maybe you can't send it as a bool.
Yeah, bulls actually kind of suck.
You know what also sucks? Strings.
What? Did you say?
Yeah, there is literally no good reason that this should not work.
Also, Kevin, you said range it. Oh, wait, never mind. I remember. Don't mind me.
Don't mind if I do. Me yawning again. I dare you.
Health. Let's crank that up to 750.
Yeah, I'm an ogre. I'm an elite ogre, actually. I have 750 health. I have a
How dare you have
permanent
750
DOT. Every day I live, I have to do a living check to see if I'm actually alive.
Every time I
am.
wake up, I wonder if I'm gonna die.
Sack is inflicted with a recursive DOT.
I'm one of those Crusader King 2 rulers that just has to keep living for forever.
Except they don't.
By all means, I should be dead, but I have lived much longer than I should have. Afflicted with old age, delirium.
Yeah, you got that.
Really?
I've had several
PhD.
assassins try to kill me. My son hates me.
Your son hates you. I like how that's a threat on your life.
My son dislikes
he
me.
sent assassins after me so he can claim the title of king.
Crusader Kings 2 really is a game.
If you have children, you are threatened. Your children could try to kill you at any moment. You have to keep them happy. But you have to keep them happy from a political sense. It doesn't matter if they're actually happy.
There's literally no good reason why this shouldn't work. Like, this is insane.
Dang, kind of sucks, don't it?
I argue that you ask the Fusion Discord.
Zach, I recommend you learn how to code in C#.
Maybe.
This 100% has to be a bug in Fusion.
Oh. Just threw a pen.
Maybe this is the problem. But if this is the problem, then it's definitely a bug.
How many times do I have to tell you this?
How many times we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
SpongeBob quote.
Yes,
See, I'm
it
hip
is.
and cool with the kids. I may be 21, but I'm definitely 16 in my heart.
I wish
Right?
it wasn't.
That's all the cool.
Oh,
all the
you
cool
got
kids
him.
are 16, right?
What?
All the cool kids are 16, aren't they?
All the cool kids think they're 16. Whether or not they actually are remains to be seen.
Oh, so that's not you, Jared.
Not really. I'm not really
You've
big
never
on the
been a
whole
cool
being
kid.
cool thing. Always been that guy
Never
sitting
been
off in the
cool.
corner, just doing his own thing.
Yeah, you've read the book
Oh,
Wallflower
frick me!
before.
Who is that above me? Wait, Kevin, are you testing?
I mean, I have been, but I'm not right now. So I don't know who that is.
Frick.
Ian.
Well, I'm not even in his server. I created my own.
What?
No, that's not how it works.
Yeah,
So this
that's
is
not
the
how this
problem I'm having.
works.
So this is the problem. It's Kian on here. Okay, because I was wondering who the frick is in here doing things. All right, Kian, can you hop out for a second? I need to look at something.
I was gonna say I'm not even. I created my own
When you
server
hit the
host.
play button in Unity, you join basically a group instance that we're all a part of. It doesn't separate us by version. It doesn't separate us by server at all. If you're in there, I'm in there. We're both in the same place.
Well, I mean, did you click like client or something?
Weird.
I mean, I said start host and then I hit connect client, but it didn't take me to the host
it
on my
connected
laptop.
you to his client instead, or his
Yeah,
host
it did.
instead, yeah.
It did. That's what
I think
happened.
there is a way to define like a room number or whatever.
I would love that because
I think
get
it's like
it
built
just
in.
annoying.
Like I think you can do it right now.
Oh.
Oh man, what do I do about this? I think I just
Oh,
need to write a
room
brand new
number.
script.
Yeah, I see.
But like what?
Oh,
What is
frick.
wrong?
Why had I not spawn as a DM? Oh, because I hit the play button. Lumbow.
Dummy head.
Baka. Poggers.
No, I think we need okay. Why is that?
Oh, thank you, kid.
Alright, well I have
Well,
no
of course.
idea how to fix what's wrong here. I'm just gonna have to redo this from scratch.
Dang.
But I'm not doing that right now. I'm gonna go eat lunch.
Yeah, lunch sounds nice.
Alright, I am going to end the stream.
Hey, Kevin.
What?
My Ogre Rockets hack is pretty cool once I figure out how to make it not spawn inside the ground and arc properly. It's going to be really cool.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool. I think you can close that tab that's up there in your Discord.
What?
Kevin's got a weird tab in his Discord that's like, you can do something here.
Is that the hentai? Is that the
This
horny
is
jail
the
tag?
streamer mode.
Oh.
Oh no, not
That's a
that.
streamer thing.
Above the chats. To the left, the blue button.
Blue button? What are you talking?
Blue button.
Bro, he's
Or
dumb.
what blue button? There's no blue button on the left.
There's a blue button.
Where?
Streamer mode
next to-
enabled. Stay safe, friend.
Testing Kryptonite. There's a blue button.
You mean Tesing Kryptonite itself is a blue button?
Oh, right next to Testing Kryptonite, it's a blue button.
I do not see it. You have to send me a screenshot because I can't see whatever you're seeing.
How do you
Hold up.
not see? It's on your screen.
Hold up.
I literally can't see
I'm
it.
jumping in. I'm jumping into the stream. Give me a second. I'll figure this out.
Just send me a screenshot and I can tell you if I see it or not.
You definitely do. It's on your screen.
No, it's not, Zach. There's no blue button on Testing Kryptonite. I'm looking at his
not
stream
on
right now.
Testing Kryptonite. To the right of Testing Kryptonite.
There's no blue button there. You're
No, there's literally
There
nothing.
Like-
is. There 100% is.
Send me a screenshot.
No, there's not. Send a snip.
Memes. Right there.
Is that really the button you're talking about?
What?
Yes.
Why would I get rid of that button?
Ooh.
There's not a problem.
It's annoying.
What?
I always get rid of that button because it blocks some.
Why?
It makes the channel more scrolly.
I mean, that is actually a good idea. I actually just did that, and that's actually super nice.
Just makes you have to scroll more.
Why couldn't you literally say the button that said invite people instead of describing it as the
Because
blue
I
button
have to
to the
see
right
it.
of Tesing Kryptonite?
You want to know why? Because this is my screen.
What?
This is my screen. I think I can
Oh
tell.
my gosh!
Grieve.
What are you talking about? You can literally see it in your screenshot, the button that clearly says invite people.
You
I
poor.
literally
poor
cannot
thing.
because I physically cannot.
I think
read
Zach
that
has a
without
new
zooming in.
disability.
Yo, Kevin, you got a freaking bot in your thing, man. You got
Yo,
a bot in your
buy
chat.
followers and viewers!
Did you know
Yo,
that you
what?
could buy followers and viewers at HTTP?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Actually, can we do that? Can we set up a botnet to watch our streams?
You.
Technically, yes, we could.
Well, that's what this is
Technically, yes.
advertising. It's not free. It literally says buy.
Not free.
Kevin, why is vertical offset, right? Should be.
What? Yeah, why is vertical?
What?
Okay. Let's see what happens if I
Only
put it
in
6
Sweden
up in
is
the air.
Z the vertical offset.
What?
Yo, actually, Kev, could you? Do you need any more moderators? Let me moderate chat.
I mean, there's not much of a chat to moderate.
I know, but I would like to still be mod.
I mean,
I'll bring that up with the higher ups, and we'll figure out what to do there.
I vote no.
I vote no.
uh-oh,
How
I think
dare
you
you.
just got outvoted.
Yeah, you just got destroyed.
I just got outvoted by my team.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
it doesn't really matter right now.
okay,
There's
I
not
was
really a
I was
chat
partial to
moderate.
it. I was partial to it before, but after you put the entire project in a scene, I'm not really sold on it.
Yeah, that was pretty sussy.
That's just gonna be our generalized inside joke now. I'm gonna hate this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
we're gonna
only
hate
you
this.
could literally save the project within the project.
I mean, you create a
Only
I have that much
13,000
power.
you create a 30,000 line edit that took Kevin like 10 minutes to figure out that you literally put the project inside of a scene. He didn't even know that was possible.
Nobody knew it was possible until I made a mistake.
Yeah, that was sussy.
Burn you and your mistakes.
You realize, Kevin, we're gonna get banned off Twitch if you stay sussy too much?
Wait, really?
I know.
I was gonna say Twitch has all kinds of weird rules, so
I mean, if you say people can't identify as deers, then you know you will get
Just
banned.
did.
Why would you say that? We're still live.
do we have our Discord linked anywhere?
I don't think so.
We should probably
Actually,
do that.
I do need to link it into the Twitch.
Link
I
it,
think
you
I
should
put it-
link it to everything.
Yes, I need to. Just, I thought I did already. Maybe I didn't. check the tweets of our.
Wait,
Did you ever
Kevin,
tweet
wait,
that
hold
we're
up.
live?
Kevin, hold up.
Yeah, I did. Just
Kevin,
nothing
check
showed
my
up.
screen out.
Check
You
your
don't
screen out, you're not
deserve
even
to let us
streaming.
see your screen.
Check this out, boys.
Yo.
It's sort of half functional.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Functional.
Yeah, it is.
It is pretty.
Yo, no way, and they still lay posing though.
Does the other attack still work if you get close enough?
No, I turned off the other attack. I replaced it with this. The rock
Oh, so
slows.
you got rid of his.
You are at 10
Well, I
health,
didn't get rid of it.
poor
It's
thing.
still there. It's still like in the code, but it's not what his weapon is right now.
Wait, what do you?
Bro, you're at 10 health, you poor thing. You might
Yeah, I
wanna...
know. I ate some rocks to make sure it actually works.
I do enjoy
Bro,
eating
delicious,
rocks.
right?
Yeah, what I need to do
It
is
is
make the
pretty
rock
cool, though.
go a lot further. Because currently
Yummy,
the
yummy
gravity is
rock.
too high.
Yeah, I mean it's literally the same range almost as his normal attack right now.
Yeah, no. It's supposed to be like their aggro range. I set it to like 45 or something. Like they'll aggro to me from over here. Like they're supposed to launch it from this far away.
It is pretty cool.
Yummy, yummy rock. They can
Yeah, I
hit
just
each
need to
other with
make
the
it not
rock.
clip into them each other. Because like currently the rock will hit the guy in the back. Yeah, it'll do that. I need to
Cool,
prevent that.
How
from
does that
happening.
even happen? How did you do
Hit
that?
him! Take out my enemy!
Did you like what? How did you do that? Because
How'd I
it
do
should just
what?
clip through him.
I don't know. Let me check. Hold up. Let me see what I did.
Or have you
with
not
this.
pulled recently? Maybe.
I've been pulling. I have to pull from my laptop.
Yo, ogre rock throw.
Hold up. Throw projectile. It should just target players. Sub attacks on end. Sub attack on hit. And its rotation offset is
Did you
this.
in the ogre? You still have its tag set, right?
It should be. I didn't touch tags on the ogre. Yeah, override as player.
Yeah, I don't know. It shouldn't be colliding with him,
Well, I'll make an issue for it.
at least in theory.
Theory is always great.
Actually, you know what?
This
It
is
actually
why I
probably
follow string theory.
No, it shouldn't. It really shouldn't collide. I don't know why it does.
I'll make an issue for it.